All right, welcome to our next edition here at Red Delta Project Advent Calendar for the month of December. Full workout program for the entire month for those who are following along. So today is our second installation of working the lateral chain. And today's suspension exercise is not only hitting some of those hard to target areas in the core like your obliques and your hips, but also your shoulder stability, which carries over into much stronger push-ups and pull-ups to help you build up the upper body. So you're getting a lot of bang for the buck with this one. We're going to use one strap, one foot loop. If you have adjustable foot loops, make this one as big as possible. And if you're using gymnastics rings, simply take the ring out of the strap and then you'll have a huge loop. But you want this as big as you can make it if possible. You're going to place your bottom foot into the foot strap like so. And the other one, if you can fit both feet in, that's great. If not, this will just go onto the side like so. We got a standard side plank with the arm on the side and lifting the hip up. Once again, shoulders back, hips forward is key. Here's where the repetition comes in. This arm is on top and we're gonna rotate it all the way around and back up. Feet are keeping a forward orientation, so there's no twisting at my feet, and I'm rotating with the use of my obliques for stability and my shoulder and shoulder blade all the way around. This is the type of scapular movement which is crucial for keeping your upper body training safe and supremely effective. We're gonna get 8 on one side, come down, switch out, 8 on the other side. 2 sets are all that's necessary for today, but of course 3, 4, as many as you like, and rest as needed. More details down below in the description, and let me know if you have questions in the comment section. Be fit, live free.